Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for real estate properties on the domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen and tap on the search bar where should we search and type in the location. And here you can find all of the available properties near your selected area. So tap on the relevant one to narrow down your search. Here you can tap on this contact agent section. Here you can check out the property itself. You can see the price, the pictures attached, the videos are available, and here you can find all of the relevant information, including the features, development. You can see it on the map, local school, catchments, statement of information, market insight, and all the other important details can be checked out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.